Hello beautiful, this is Kira Secret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. But if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below. Follow, like and share our video. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kira Secret Skincare. Also follow us on our new logistic page at Kira Secret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. We ship worldwide. You can also shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Our product is there. You can go there and shop. Yes, today I'm going to show you how I produce this 15-liter lotion. Yes, of Halfcast Whitening Lotion. How we activate it with Secret White Serum. This is for our client in the US. Guys, anything you want to produce, let Mommy Kira know. Watch the video to the end so that you see the way I activate it. I did everything, all the ingredients I used. Okay, this Halfcast lotion is already active, but this customer said they want it to be very strong whitening without no gravy, no knuckle, no white patches, nothing. She has a demanding customers. Those kind of customers, they want to white too. They are ready to spend, but they want a very clean complexion. I'm showing the weight of this lotion is 15 liters. You understand me? Then this is the 3 serum I want to add into the production. The Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate. You can see the lotion. Okay, you can see I'm putting the Secret White Strong Whitening Lotion. You know, sometimes when the client chats us up and say, Mommy Kira, I want this one, I want this one. This is what I want, this is what I want. Then as the skin doctor, you too also advise them and tell them what and what they can use. This Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. If you are a producer, if you produce this product, okay, this serum, Secret White Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil is very active. It has really helped my game in production. You understand? That's how you see Mommy Kira showing it off, because it has really helped my production. You understand me? A lot of people will chat me up. I'm not the owner of Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, but I carry it on my head as if I'm the owner, because it's working for me. Anything I do, I talked about it. They did not pay me. You understand me? But I'm showing my lovely subscribers that this product works. Go and buy your own and produce. Stop saying your customer is complaining, it's not working, your production is not working. Buy this. If you're a big producer, buy a bigger batch. But if you are a small producer, you can buy those bottles. They are the same but different sizes. Okay, this one is because I'm producing it in a large form. That's why I encourage the customer to get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum and Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate for the production. You understand? You can see I just finished putting the 3rd bottle of the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum inside. Then I also see I'm videoing this and I'm showing it to the customer, but I just say let me show you guys how I did mine. This Halfcast. Then this is anti-reaction oil. Okay, this oil is also good. It will really help and moisturize the skin. You know, sometimes because of the ingredients we put into our production, we need sometimes a very smoothing oil to also complement the skin, for the skin to be very, very nourished. Okay, this production, this Halfcast 15 liter is very, very active, very, very safe. You can see this is the bottle she chose. I've washed it, I've sterilized it, everything is very clean. You get yes, it's time for us to fill the bottle. If you want Mommy Kira to produce for you, just chat me up, tell me what you want. I will do the production for you. You understand me? It's a very good standard. You know, this is a foreign bottle, very, 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 very luxurious bottle. Okay, that we're going to fill the lotion inside. Okay, because this is what they call private labeling. She's going to put her label her own self. Okay, what we did was to fill it, and she's going to put her own label and start selling, start cashing out. You understand? Without no single stress. You understand? You can also use the Secret White Strong Serum, Secret White Strong Concentrate, Secret White Strong Oil inside your cream base, your organic base cream, be it organic base cream, be it over the counter product. You can use it also. You can see how very, very clean, unique the Halfcast Strong Whitening Lotion is. We also use the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate to activate it to be very, very strong, because that is what the customer wants. She wants a very quick and fast result without no green vein, no knuckle, no white patches, no hyperpigmentation, no discoloration. Instead, our customer skin will be so white, so clean. You understand me? It will also fade any skin issues the customer have. You can see how neat and properly packaged this Halfcast lotion is. Super effective, guys. If you watch up to this part, please like and share my video. I love you.